Welcome back to our video. Today we're making Play-Doh and 3 different essential oils. All ingredients: 1 cup flour, a cup salt, a half of a cup water, 1 favorite spoon of coconut milk, 2 colorings, and your favorite essential oil. We're using freshly lavender. First, you mix all the dry ingredients in a glass bowl. Only half the flour. Does it taste bad if you eat it? Next, you add the water and oil. But ask your mom for help.
All right, Murky, do you want to put the oil in?
Yeah.
All right, Jojo, start stirring.
Ooh, okay. Now, what does it turn into? What does it turn into? Now can I taste it? And then you
Add.
add the rest of the flour.
Okay, go ahead.
Now stir it. Stir
Yep.
it. Now stir it.
Yes.
Mom, can I taste it? No.
You don't eat it, buddy.
The back, when it gets hard to stir, get up. Get your mama to help. That's a little too much.
Well, that's what we want, so now you'll use your hands.
Mom, can I taste it now?
Again, it's not to eat, it's Play-Doh.
When you can't stir it, use your fingers. Now we're going to add the color.
Put 4 drops of food coloring.
1, 2, 3, 4. 15 drops of essential oil.
And now we will mix it with our hand.
And that's it. Now I got Play-Doh to play.
The second recipe we're going to show you guys today is another essential oil recipe, but instead of being able to play, it's something we put on one of our kids every day. One of our boys has severe eczema, and so far we actually haven't found any over-the-counter products that works as good or better than what we're going to show you today. It's super easy, and we make 1 big jug of it every like 6 months. And he just puts it on his hands and feet, puts a glove over, and that's how he sleeps every night. So what you need is coconut oil. I'll probably put about a cup of coconut oil, raw honey, which if you get local raw honey, it actually helps with allergies because the honeybees put flower pollen in the honey. Raw shea butter with nothing else in it, completely clean shea butter. And then these 3 oils. And make sure you use 100% therapeutic grade oils. If you don't, it's not good for your skin, and you always need to make sure your oils have absolutely no additives. The biggest reason why our family uses Young Living only is because they're 100% pure and they have a seed to seal promise. So I can tell you exactly where each oil came from. So for lavender, Young Living has lavender fields in Utah. We can go visit them. And so that, for me, with kids with severe allergies, is huge. So lavender is the first one. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an all-around skin healing oil. And then frankincense. Frankincense is a very, very helpful and calming oil on your skin. It makes your skin look amazing, and then it also just soothes the pain. Here we go. about 1 cup of coconut oil. You really don't need to worry too much about measuring. I just started using this food processor. I used to mix it by hand for like an hour and my hand would throb, but you can use it in the food processor and do it in like 5 minutes. Okay, so next the raw shea butter. And I'm actually going to put most of this in it because I normally buy a big jar, but they were out today. A couple teaspoons of the raw honey. So you're going to put 15 drops of each oil in. So first the tea tree oil. And then the frankincense, and then the lavender. All right, Merc, press the button. Go for it, bud. This one. And then about halfway through the blending, just go through and scoop down anything that is still at the top. So mix. Okay, and then once it's blended, you'll just want to put it in some form of glass container. Essential oils are not supposed to be stored in any form of plastic, so make sure it is glass. And then this is what it looks like when it's done, and it's so creamy and it will just rub right into your skin. Alright, let us know in the comments below if you used it and it helped, especially if you have eczema.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that button. We'll see you in our next video. Bye. Bye.